Today we will perform an activity and can prove how to hydrogen gas is liberated when react with acid. Here we have some required materials like the zinc, metal, granules, aluminium and copper. And there are some apparatus like a beaker, flask, beaker, some casting and sulfuric acid in dilute form and hydrochloric acid. So before beginning this activity, we take some sulfuric acid in casting. This is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is hard acid, so we should not touch it directly. We should use gloves. Okay, so this is sulfuric acid, and we add some sulfuric acid in that gas tube. Okay. So we take some sulfuric acid in this apparatus. This is sulfuric acid. It is hard acid, and we put some amount of copper in this control flask. What happens? In that time, and we take next test tube and we add sulfuric acid. We put some zinc, this is zinc metal, and add some amount of sulfuric acid in this test tube. Okay. You can observe this reaction. Okay. This reaction is very fast, you can observe. Okay. Some amount of hydrogen gas is being liberated, and if you carry a burning matchbox, carry reaction हो रही है and test tube is getting hot a little bit. This is sulfuric acid, okay, and sulfuric acid can react with zinc to form zinc sulfate, and hydrogen gas is being liberated continuously in these reactions. You can observe, and we cover it. Okay. And pop sound is created when we carry a burning matchbox in contact of hydrogen gas. You can observe again. Okay. Now I am carrying a burning matchbox. Okay. The pop sound is being created. Okay. So hydrogen gas can burn with pop sound. Okay. And you can take another reactions. What happens in these reactions? However, this is like a slow reaction. However, copper is reacting, but in a slow motion with sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate. Okay, but it will take time. Okay, इसमें समय लगेगा. Okay. It will take time to occur these reactions.
Let me try 10% higher.
Now we observe again what happened. It's very slow reaction. It is very slow reaction, but it is very fast reaction. It is very fast. Okay, it is very fast reaction. Now we take another test tube. We take another test tube and add some amount of aluminium metal. Okay, in this test tube. Okay. No. Now add some amount of and add some amount of hydrochloric acid to this test tube. What happened? Okay. It is also slow reactions. You can observe a small amount of bubble is being evolving. It will take time. इसमें समय लगेगा. Now we observe what happened in this reaction. Actually, I am observing that there is no reaction occur. There is no reaction occur with copper sulfate and hydrochloric acid. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, sulfuric acid. There is no reaction occur between copper and hydrochloric acid. Sorry, sulfuric acid. Okay. This is sulfuric acid and we added some amount of copper in sulfuric acid. Reaction is continuously. No. No. Yeah. Actually, it is the zinc. You can observe that zinc is getting dark and slightly blackish in color.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And zinc is continuously created zinc and from zinc sulfate. And after completing these reactions, you will find zinc sulfate. Okay. You will find zinc sulfate. Okay. You can test again hydrogen gas by burning this hydrogen gas with burning methods. Okay. Burning.
आप दोनों नीचे आ जाना, ठीक है? फोटो खींचने आना। ऑप्शन है आपके।
You can
इतनी देर में तिल्ली बन जाएगी.
mask को yeah, the last thing. Okay. We take out it from this conical flask. Okay. And add milk acid, that is hydrochloric acid. Put some amount of copper in this plastic and add some amount of hydrochloric acid. However, this is concentrated hydrochloric acid. Now we can observe. Oh, yes. What happens? You can also observe. Okay? Huh? You can also observe. Yeah. That's getting change color. Okay, and hydrogen gas is being collected in this test tube. Hydrogen gas is being collected in this test tube. Okay, its reactions is little bit fast in comparison to zinc with hydrochloric acid. Okay, however, in this test tube there is hydrochloric acid, and we have added some amount of copper, and copper react with hydrochloric acid to form copper chloride. Copper chloride. Okay, and hydrogen gases is also liberated in these reactions also. Actually, do you know? You already can know any metal react with any acid to form hydrogen gas. Okay, and now we will observe the presence of hydrogen gas. That hydrogen gas is being formed or not. Okay. Now we again carry a burning matchbox.
No.
Yeah, reaction is a little bit slow.
तो मेरे ख्याल से
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट को ऐड करना
Yeah,
कभी गरम गरम एकदम से ये होना ना
little bit. It is slowly reaction, but it will take time. इसमें समय लगेगा ना? It will take time. When hydrogen gas is being accumulated, okay, in large amount, then you can observe the presence of hydrogen gas by burning methane. है ना?
Zinc.
And add some amount of hydrochloric acid. You can observe smoke, है ना? Smoke, है ना? And fume, yeah, is being evolved already. It's so hard acid.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's a very good.
You can observe the presence of hydrogen gas. है ना? Oh, the reaction is very fast. It's a vigorous reaction. Okay, and hydrogen gas is being liberated continuously. Oh, observe. We can observe. Yeah, it is. We can observe the hydrogen gas is being transferred from the test tube, है ना? In outer environment, and color of the zinc is also to change carefully, and form the zinc chloride, that is the ZnCl2, and hydrogen gas is being also liberated in this reaction. So you can observe. Okay. Actually, it is a little bit vigorous reactions. Okay. Now we take again. We can also perform these reactions again in other test tube. Okay. Have a different capacity, है ना? Different metals have a different capacity to be can react the same acids. Okay, like if you add zinc to hydrochloric acid, the reactions is very fast. Okay, if you react aluminium with sulfuric acid, the reaction is a little bit slow. Okay, in comparison to another reaction. But if you add copper with sulfuric acid, there is no reaction occurring. Okay, there is no reaction occurring. Okay, we must have observed recently when we added some amount of copper in sulfuric acid, the reactions didn't occur. Okay. You can replicate. It means you can repeat these reactions also. Who would like to perform these reactions? Home.
I am
Okay.
not like.
Okay. Add some amount. Hold this test tube and add some amount of zinc.